Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make a WordPress website coming soon page. First, you will need to log into your WordPress dashboard. Then, navigate to the Plugins section and click Add New. Search for a Coming Soon or Maintenance Mode plugin. There are many excellent free options available, often with over 1 million active installations. Install and activate your chosen plugin to proceed with the setup. Once activated, go to the plugin settings page. Here, you'll find an option to enable the Coming Soon or Maintenance Mode. This is crucial for making your site inaccessible to general visitors. Next, customize the page content. Add a catchy headline, a short introductory message, and upload your company logo. You can also select a background image or color to match your brand's aesthetic. Many Coming Soon plugins offer advanced features to enhance your page. Consider adding a countdown timer to create excitement for your launch date. You can also include an email subscription form to gather potential customer leads before your site goes live. Furthermore, link your social media profiles so visitors can connect with your brand immediately. These elements can significantly boost your pre-launch marketing efforts. Before making your site fully live, thoroughly test your Coming Soon page. View it as a visitor would, checking for any layout issues or typos. Ensure it displays correctly on various devices, such as mobile phones and tablets. Once your website is complete and ready for the public, simply disable the Coming Soon mode in your plugin settings. Your new WordPress site will then be fully accessible to everyone.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.